Assalamu alaikum everyone, and this is Luna Classic update at the moment, and it does seem like there is a few little bit of candles printing on that is quite I don't know. I don't know if this is a bear flag. I don't know if they're trying to print in a bear flag or they're trying to push it up. Maybe they could be looking to pump it up like this to maybe 12,000 one more time before they don't drop it down. It does look like there's a little bit of that curve coming back up, and then you try to go down. Or maybe it's just a flag that they're trying to create here so that they can pop it even a little bit lower. Yeah, so let's actually see. If you try to pop below this and you go all the way down to 10,256, I think they're going to be pushing it all the way down to 9,269, and keep an eye for a break to the upside, because there's still this one chance where you broke below the bear flag and you might be looking for a retest. So there's a lot of sense here going on. Now this is a little bit of a gray area that is hard to tell you what exactly is coming up next, right? It could be anything at this point of time, but one thing is that the bigger picture is, if you're not going to be breaking above the bear flag and you fail to do that, so I think you have some pending targets down to 6,000 and 7,000 level. That's it for the video. Just a very quick one today. I'm going to see you the next one. For office.